Alright, my vehicle is now in extended mode, which is that. You can see it is in extended mode. You see here on the screen, just a recap. See how that's lit up red? It lets me know that that sensor is bad. Am I right? Alright, and here we go. Look at the difference that made. And I didn't even realize. Alright, YouTube, I am back. I haven't drove my truck in a couple days because the weather's been really nice outside down here in Dallas. I did get it washed. That's why it's looking so good. But on to what part of this video is about. Because my packages finally came. Now this is the sensor that I was showing in the video. I'm going to take it out the package and all that. Oh, we got a slot in it so I can take it out. Here's the part number. Of course, it's made in China part. It's a little cheaper than the original. Hopefully it works. It got kind of mixed reviews, but we're going to find out. Here's the part number for you. You can see that. I just ordered it from Amazon. Right there. Okay. I don't need this arm. This rod arm. I'm going to take this off. But this is what's faulted on my car, and from the looks of it, it is the front driver's side. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Mine is a 3-pin. I know you can't see the pins in there, but mine is a 3-pin. From the looks of the new sensor, it's a 3-pin. So I'm going to get up underneath the car, and we're going to check and see. It's still lifted and sitting even, but like I say, sometimes when I drive it, start driving it, it'll want to limit the speed to 30, and the suspension faults out and it starts dropping down. I have to pull over, start the car back up, and then drive off again, and I don't have a problem. It usually only does it once. I also ordered these, which is basically just some cargo nets for the trunk. I'm going to show you why and where I'm going to put those also in this video. But for now, we're going to get to this sensor for the front driver. The good thing is, I can just turn the wheel and put the sensor on, right? But I'm going to lift the truck up. Then I'm going to turn the wheel to the left to get access to it and show you guys what I'm doing. So, in a minute. Alright, my vehicle is now in extended mode, which is that. You can see it is in extended mode. You see here on the screen, just a recap. See how that's lit up red? It lets me know that that sensor is bad. My ride height sensor. So we're going to look into that. We're going to replace it and go from there. Also, another thing I like, look how if I turn the steering wheel, it shows my tires turn. That's kind of dope too. I kind of like that feature. But back to y'all in a minute. Alright, so this is the sensor. As you can see, I still had a tire on, only had to cock it to the right. But this is the sensor that I'm going to be removing. It looks like just those 2 bracket bolts, and I can pull the sensor down, unplug it, unscrew it off, and remove that arm. So I'm going to get to it in a minute. YouTube, I guess China part might be having to go back. As you can see, one is a 4-pin and one is a 6-pin. The body size is much different. It's just too many differences for me to even attempt to put this back. So I'm going to have to return this and try to get the right one. Be back with the correct sensor. Alright, well that was a failed attempt, but I'm going to show you the other part that I got. I actually got it for the inside of my trunk. Now this is what the inside of my trunk looked like. Tool bag, jumper cables, tire compressor, hats, and all of my cleaning products I usually keep on this side, and this is what they keep doing. Shit rolling around every damn where. So I bought this product that I'm going to install, and let's see how it looks after. Alright, and here we go. Look at the difference that made. And I didn't even realize this thing has a pocket. So you can slip stuff down in there. I ain't got to worry about this shit rolling all around anymore. Plus it's able to hold all of my microfiber tiles back for when I'm going to the car wash. So now I can have my car wash accessories over here on this side. And it's not made cheap. It's kind of like heavy duty shit, you know, where I can see it being there for a long time. But that's so much more convenient. This is one of them products that was worth the money. Sorry about the movement. Always keep me a chair and an umbrella back here. Dryer or cleaning cloths. A spare hat. Of course, I gotta have a tool bag. I have this mat for my work boots. And just stuff I need to throw in there in case anything is wet and filthy. And look at that. I was able to get my air compressor tire inflator box in here. My winter hat stuffed in there in case I need it. My jumper cables in there. And everything is nice and secluded. So I give that product definite thumbs up. Definitely worth the money if you have a SUV. Alright YouTube, I'm back. Now I returned the other part that I had ordered, and I ordered this one, which is a ride height sensor SKP. I ordered this from Parts Geek, really reasonably priced. Not sure how much I paid for it. It was about the same that I paid on Amazon. Pretty much the same part, as you can see. This also has a 3-pin, which I've come to realize that the 3-pin, the original sensor only has 3 wires anyway. So the 3-pin should work for it with no problem. Like I said before, I don't really need this arm, so I'm not putting this arm on. I'm just gonna pop it off and install the sensor. And we're gonna get back to the video and show what it shows on the dash after the install. I semi-showed the install in the beginning of this video. So let me go put the sensor on and see if the light clears. Alright, I'm back in my amazing truck that I love so much that I just keep spending money on it. But I really like this truck. As you can see now, I'm in extended mode. But let's go to 4x4 information and look at that. Before, one of them was red. That's the sensor I replaced. And now none of them are red. This is what you want your screen to look like. So it's a success. Sensor replaced. And it's just a video for anybody else having this problem. What to go to and what sensor to replace. Replace the sensor, put it on, and you shouldn't have a problem again. Thanks for watching. Be back with y'all on the next video.